English conversation phrases. It took 5 minutes to get to the station. Watch your back. Take it or leave it. Don't binge on beer. Let's hang out sometime. What do you want? It's up to you. I don't get it. I don't even know. I'm all ears. It's my fault. I'm sick of this. Give me a hand. That makes sense. I'll get back to you. I should have known earlier. You have crossed the line. I can play the piano. Do you have a girlfriend? Let's go shopping. I have a lot to do. I have an appointment today. Don't lie to me. I am unemployed now. I will pick you up. He's jealous of you. I don't have any change. Be careful. I'm looking for a new job. Don't forget to take an umbrella.